It's not the best, but it is what it is. And guys, I hope you all have enjoyed it. If you haven't thought it. Hello everyone, and welcome back to another vlog. Today is Sunday, and I hope everyone is having a fantastic Sunday. Although it is rainy here in Chicago. Guys, I know you probably is like, what is going on with you, Deborah? Yeah. So I just got out the tub and I am getting ready to get myself together. I actually washed my hair, and so I was like, you know what? While I'm getting together, I might as well bring you guys along with me because I love having you guys with me. Yes. Guys, what I'm using first, I am getting ready to get my face together, get my hair together, because I just washed it. It's kind of drew up, kind of in its curl texture. But I have my Tatcha oil, that beauty oil that I purchased, and it has the little gold driplets in it. I am going to be using that. Some of my Tatcha moisturizer. So I am actually gonna get ready. So I thought, you know what? Why not have you guys get ready with me today, right? Rainy, it's nothing else to do. You can't go outside. It's quarantine. So y'all might as well tune in. Yeah, so we are gonna go ahead and get ourselves together. And that goes by first putting on my beauty oil. I was actually in my bedroom, which is another story. Make sure y'all stay tuned for that video because I'm going to be doing another video after this. Yeah, showing you that hot mess. If you want to see that, make sure that you are subscribed to my channel. Go ahead and hit that little red subscribe button right down below. And make sure you have that notification bell on so that when I upload it, you will not miss any future upload, people. I was looking at myself, I was like, oh my God, I look just like my mother. Random thought there. So yeah. So I have my beauty oil on. I have my moisturizer on. And you guys are probably asking, you're not in the bathroom getting ready today. No, because my bathroom is under a little remodeling, a little updating. Not remodeling, just updating. So I was like, can't go in there because I don't have a mirror, so I got to use my bedroom mirror, which I don't like using, but I have no other choice. And I wanted to do an unboxing and show you guys my new blow dryer. So I'm going to be doing that. And I will actually if you haven't saw that video, make sure you check out that video of an unboxing of all the items that I have brought from Amazon. I'm still waiting on some stuff. Yep, I have not received everything, but anywho, it should be coming. But let me get my oil for my hair. I thought I had it, but I must have left that in my linen cabinet. So give me 1 second. But anyway, guys, so what I'm doing, just spraying on my heat protector. And then I will comb it out. And I'm going to get my blow dryer. So guys, this is the Infinity Pro that I will be using today, and I will be letting you guys know how I like it. You all already know how I like the other blow dryer with the brush, but I said I'm going to give this a try because I really wanted to use one with a comb. So this is a 3-in-1 ceramic dryer. Here it is, if you haven't saw it. Yep. So I am going to open this bad boy up, try to open it up, and this is my first time opening it. We have the attachments, one of them, this is the brush. Then we have the straightening comb. I believe that one is called the straightening comb. And the last but not least is the detangling comb, which I won't have to use that. Then we have the unit itself, which is the blow dryer. So we have that right here. Everything is falling out. So here is the blow dryer. It has Infinity Pro right there written on it. It has a cool setting. It has temperature hot and warm, cool. So I have 3 settings on the side that you can put it on: hot, cold, or warm. Warm or hot, warm, cold. And then the other side is high, low, and off. We have 2 sides, one for the temperature and one for the amount of the air that you want to come out, and then the off bristle. So I'm assuming These pieces on the side is for the attachment to slide in there. If you can see that, there's a groove right there, and there's a groove on this side as well. We are going to put the straightener on. Here they have like an angle, which I'm assuming is up here, and then they have an arrow, which, can you see that? There is an arrow down there. There. I don't know if you can see it, but I guess that was used that it clicks on. Oh, okay, so I had it wrong. The arrow was for that side, and you might can see it right there. There's an angle down here, and then that is how that side look. Let's give it a try, people.
There's a sparkle in your eyes. I feel the warmth of your skin. Just the touch of your hand makes me tremble within. Love the smell of your hair, lying here in my bed. Never gonna be alone, 'cause with you I'm finally coming home. I wanna be with you always, 'cause that is what my heart says. That's what my heart says. I wanna be with you always.
My review on this. Straighten my hair. What do you guys think? Where's my comb? Straighten my hair, which is good, but I don't think I like the two combs. So it straightened my hair good. Look like I see one piece of string that it pulled my hair, which is not bad, just this one. I don't see any more hairs on here, none whatsoever. It didn't pull my hair. I don't see any shedding on the floor. I don't see any, and I wore for this video a white t-shirt because I wanted to see if there was any shedding as I did it, and I don't see any shedding. So I think overall it is a good dryer. It did what it was supposed to do. It straightened my hair. I just don't like the two combs. It seemed like you have to be really, really delicate with putting it onto your head, because if you do it too quick, it will hurt. It would dig into your scalp, and you don't want that. So I think it's a good blow dryer, and like I said, it did dry my hair. Did straighten it. Now I am going to go ahead and go in with my flat iron. So I'm going to leave this off, then I'm going to get my flat irons and I'm going to go in with that. Okay, so I have my flat irons and I am going to go ahead and straighten my hair. Tell you, when you get stuff under construction and you're trying to get things together, boy, is that a task. So I'm turning my flat irons on, and I normally set them to 390. So I just set them. I have my towel here that I sit these on, so because it's hot. But normally I put my weigh in with my heat protector. I forgot it, so I just sprayed it in there. So I'm just going to run over it really, really quick with the hair dryer because I've already sprayed some on there. And my hair is a little wet now, so this will only take a second.
You are my world in every place. It's the things that you do, and it's the smile on your face. And as time goes by, I know I'm in a better place. I'm in a better place. Without your love, I am out of place. And without you, I am just a trace. I love you with all of my heart. Together forever, never to part. I wanna be with you always, 'cause that is what my heart says. That's what my heart says. I wanna be with you always. Always, yeah. You are my world in every place. Oh, it's the things that you do. It's the things you do, baby. And it's the smile on your face. Smile on your face. And as time goes by, I know I'm in a better place. I'm in a better place. just leave, no stay with me. I'm incomplete. I got mixed emotions, can't make my mind up. Just leave, no stay with me. I'm incomplete. I got mixed emotions, can't make my mind up. How can I love you when you're not around? How can I let you let me down, down, down? How can I long for you feeling so small? Love should be everything or not at all. My love was lost when you came and took it all. My mind says stop, but my heart is screaming out. Don't go, just leave, no stay with me. I'm incomplete. I got mixed emotions, can't make my mind up. Just leave, no stay with me. I'm incomplete. I got mixed emotions, can't make my mind up. I got mixed emotions, can't make my mind up.
Oh no, I gave my heart away. Went a bit too far, so wrong. Oh no, open up my soul. But babe, how could I know you're cold? Shame on you, should have seen what you were like. Dangerously nice. You got me all lost, so blinded. You got me all lost. Listen to my heart. I gotta be lost, survived it. Now you're all gone, 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 my friend. Oh Lord, I guess you fooled me once, but I ain't falling twice. All lies. Oh Lord, I ain't gonna run. My rise has just begun.
It will not hold any curls. So I brought some stuff that I saw another YouTuber try, and I am going to try that. Okay guys, so I hope you all have enjoyed this little get ready with me process from beginning to the end. I am done, and that is the ring. Okay, so I have completed my look. It's not the best, but it is what it is. And guys, I hope you all have enjoyed it. If you haven't enjoyed it, please give this video a big thumbs up. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button right down below and become a part of the family. We would love to have you. And if you are returning, hello, welcome. Thank you so much for coming back. I so greatly appreciate it. And guys, I will talk to you all in my next video. Until then, stay safe, stay in, stay healthy. Love, peace, and happiness. And I will talk to you guys in my next video. I'm getting ready to do another video, guys, so make sure you have that notification bell on, so when I upload it, you will be notified of it, okay? And I'll talk to you guys in a minute. Love you. Smooches. Bye-bye.
I'll shine. Shame on you. Should have seen what you were like. Dangerously nice. You got me all lost. So blind. You got me all lost. Listen to my heart. I gotta be lost. Survive. Now you're all gone, my friend. Big old girls will come around. I'm still walking, I'm still proud. I never lost it. I never lost it, baby. Big old girls will come around. I'm still walking, I'm still proud. I never lost it. Big old girls will come around. I'm still walking, I'm still proud. I never lost it. I never lost it, baby. Big old girls will come around.